Hello guys, welcome back to High Tech. But for today is simple and good to go. We are going to learn about how to import files on OpenTunnel, which is simple, or very simple. But let's get the kick rolling. Okay, so you go to the OpenTunnel app. Okay, so you click on the OpenTunnel app here. Here is the OpenTunnel app. You click on it. Okay, after opening it, you click on the file icon on the top right hand side. So I mean this file icon, yeah. So you click on that file icon. After you click on it, it will open like import config and export config. So you click on the import config. Okay, so let's kick it. So after you click on the import config, you see internal memory download OpenTunnel. So you click on the internal memory. Okay, internal memory here. After you click on it, you scroll down to OpenTunnel files. OpenTunnel. You scroll down to OpenTunnel files. This one. Then after that, you click on the file being downloaded. So here is it. You click on